Let's take a look at this problem. We got 5x squared plus 13x minus 6. Now, first thing is GCF, but they don't have anything in common. Grouping is 4 more terms. That doesn't fit. PST is close. We got x squared, x, no x, but there's a number in front of x squared. Now, key number. Key number is when you have x squared, x, no x, and there's a number in front of your x squared. Now, with key number, we're going to take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. So take 5 times 6, gives us 30. And we're going to come up with 3 columns, our P column, our S column, and our D column. The P is all the products that give us 30. Well, we got 1 times 30, we got 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. And the sum column, we want to add those together. 1 plus 30 is 31, 2 plus 15 is 17, 3 plus 10 is 13, 5 plus 6 is 11. In a difference column, we subtract smaller from larger. 30 minus 1 is 29, 15 minus 2 is 13, 10 minus 3 is 7, 6 minus 5 is 1. Number we're looking for is number in our middle term, which is 13. We got 13 in both columns. Now in this one, what you do is you try one, see if it works. If it doesn't work, you use the other one. Now once you become more comfortable with the signs, the only way you can have a negative on your last term here is when they're different signs. So I know the 13 that we're going to need is this one right here. Now if this is a positive here, then you would want the one in the S column. Okay, so we're going to rewrite our middle term using those 2 numbers. Now we're using 2 and 15. Our larger number in the P column that we're using, which is a 15, will always be the same sign as the middle term, which in this problem was positive. So we got plus 15x. Number I circled in a difference column, D for different signs, means one will be positive, one will be negative. Well, if the 15 is positive, then 2 will be negative. Well, then I want to use factoring by grouping. First group have a 5 and an x in common. And that gives us x plus 3. Now, second group, they're both divisible by 2, and the first term's negative. So I'll factor out a negative 2, and that's going to give us x plus 3. Now, our goal was to get this parentheses the same as this one. So they're both x plus 3, so I can factor that out in front. And to decide what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can cross out the x plus 3's now. And what isn't crossed out is what goes over here, which would be 5x minus 2. And that's our answer.